Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we are diving into the best Derma Roller Titanium Microneedle tool available right now, the Follicly Derma Roller for women. If you've been curious about microneedling at home, this is a professional-grade beauty tool designed to boost your hair, skin, and face care routine without stepping into a salon. First, let's talk about what this Derma Roller actually is. It features 192 authentic titanium microneedles, which are designed to create tiny micro-punctures in your skin. These micro-punctures stimulate your skin's natural healing process, encouraging collagen production and better absorption of your skincare products. The result is smoother, healthier, and more rejuvenated-looking skin. For many users, this also means helping with the appearance of fine lines, acne scars, and uneven texture. The fact that these microneedles are titanium is important. Titanium is stronger and more durable than stainless steel, meaning the needles stay sharp longer and glide more smoothly across your skin. One of the biggest highlights of the Follicly Derma Roller is that it's not limited to just your face. It's designed for multi-purpose use, so you can use it on your scalp to support hair health, or on other areas of your skin that could benefit from improved texture and tone. That flexibility makes it a standout tool for an at-home routine. Whether you're trying to stimulate your hair follicles, maximize the effectiveness of your serums, or just give your skin that extra glow, this roller covers all bases. The design of the roller also deserves attention. It has an ergonomic handle that makes it easy to control and comfortable to use. And it comes with a protective storage case included at no extra cost. That case is more than just a bonus. It's essential for keeping the roller hygienic, clean, and safe between uses. Proper storage and cleanliness are key with microneedling tools, so having a dedicated case is definitely a thoughtful touch. Now, let's address safety. Microneedling is effective, but it's important to use the tool correctly. The Follicly Derma Roller is designed for at-home beauty care, but the titanium needles are professional grade, which means you're getting a salon-quality experience in your own bathroom. As with any derma roller, make sure you sanitize the tool before and after each use, and avoid using it on irritated or broken skin. With regular, safe use, many people notice improved product absorption and healthier skin over time. Another aspect that makes this product shine is its balance between premium quality and accessibility. You're essentially getting a professional microneedling tool at a price point that's affordable compared to regular in-clinic treatments. That means consistent use is much more realistic, which is key if you want to see lasting results. It's ideal for women who want to elevate their skincare and haircare routine, especially if they're looking for ways to address common issues like fine lines, acne marks, dullness, or thinning hair. It's compact, easy to use, and effective, making it a perfect addition to any beauty routine without adding complexity. To sum it up, the Follicly Derma Roller for women delivers on quality, functionality, and value. With 192 titanium microneedles, multi-use benefits, and thoughtful design elements like the protective storage case, it sets the bar high for at-home microneedling. If you're looking to invest in one tool that can make a real difference in your beauty regimen, this is it. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to take your skincare and haircare to the next level, the Follicly Derma Roller is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more honest insights on the products that can transform your everyday routine.